The top 1% never sell their assets, yet they keep getting rich every year. Here's their secret tax strategy. See, most people buy a house, they sell it for profit, and then they pay huge taxes. Well, the wealthy use a strategy called the buy, borrow, die strategy. And yes, it sounds sketchy, but it's 100% legal. Let me break it down for you. Step number 1 is to buy assets that make money. So you can purchase a cash flowing property, let them appreciate over time, and then keep collecting rent checks. Here's a real example. You buy a property for $270,000. Years later, it's now worth $400,000. That's a $130,000 increase in equity. But here's where it gets interesting. Step number 2 is borrow smart. Instead of selling and paying 20% in taxes on that $270,000, so you can open a HELOC or do a cash out refinance. And the reason is because loans aren't taxable income and you can get access to your equity immediately. At the same time, you're still getting cash flow and also the property is continuing to appreciate because you're holding on to the asset. Step number 3 is to create a legacy. See, the wealthy protect their assets using proper insurance coverage, strategic estate planning, and living trusts. And the magic happens when the property passes to their heirs. They get a stepped up basis, they avoid capital gains taxes, and they keep generational wealth growing. This is why the richest 1% owns 50% of all the wealth. They're not just making money, they're keeping it in their family for generations. And if you want to learn more wealth building strategies that the top 1% use, you can save this video and follow for more.